Hi, welcome back to Rosa's Kinda Cooking, and this is my house renovation. Right now I'm sanding all this down. It's a second floor. I already did the top floor, so I'm gonna sand down these walls and the best I can, and the floor. I don't know if they have little machines to fit into these houses to sand them, so I'll just do it by hand. Besides, it's fun doing it. It is a lot of work, but I think it's pretty easy to get this done. I see here that it's coming off. I guess that was glue behind it. I guess they had something there, because when I got it I didn't have anything on there. It was just the way it is. So I'm gonna do each room best I can. There, and I'll go on to the other wall. I need more sandpaper. Okay, there it goes. Okay, once I get the second floor done, I'm going to be putting the wood finishing on it. I'm just going to do it till it feels a little bit smooth, and then I'll put the wood finish on it. Once I get this down, I might put carpet, but then back in the 1600s, I don't think they had carpet. I think it was all floor. I don't plan to make it too original, but maybe I'll just make it a little modern. And this is the other room, if you can see that, part of that. Try to get every nook and cranny in there, sand it down. So this has really been a project for me. There, now you can see a little bit more what I'm doing in here. Like I said, this is I don't know what this is. It's just a lot of work right now, but the outcome can be really rewarding once I get to that point. So I did pick out some colors that I'm going to try against the walls here and see if it's going to work for a room. You know, it's got different colors for different rooms. And if not, I'll just have to really probably stick with the whites and beige. Oh, that's probably where they have their lighting. I've got to look into that lighting to get that in here too. So I guess after I varnish, I'm going to get some light fixture things and see how I can set them up in there, and maybe work some wallpaper or ceiling paper, something up there around the lighting.